Good day, Gerrit Harting. I'm going to show you how to approve assessments. You're the manager and you will get an email to say you must approve an assessment made by a subordinate. You go to talent management, and then under talent management, you will look for assessment approvals. Assessment approvals. There you see assessment approvals. And now you're going to go and you'll see the people that report to you. And there's the one I've done, as I call it a tester. So you go to it. You can either, if there's a lot of them that you want to approve at the same time, you can just select all and you then send approval items. But in this case, I want to only look at this one and I'm going to say I'm going to edit it. If I say edit it, I can also now edit the comments here, or I can add to it and say keep up the good work, or come and see me, keep up the good intention. Anyway, you can then edit it. You can also edit the score if you don't agree with it. And I always suggest that when you edit anything on the self-assessment, have this conversation with the candidate. And if there's a fatal flaw, in other words, the person said they've done it and haven't done it, you can fix it. And important is that you can give them a yellow card for incorrect reporting. This is not personal, it's not that you're vindictive, it is just part of the rules. So if you change and you see and anything doesn't correlate with what you said, for example, the person said they have done the assessment by 6 o'clock, but in fact it was not done. And a yellow card you have made so you go through it, and once you say save, it will then be saved, and the candidate can also then see it. I'm not going to do it, but that's essentially the options for you, how you go about. So here you can either say I can generate what it looks like, I can approve it here, I can reject it here, and if you reject it here, I'm going to reject that one because it's a test one. You must just say I've just rejected it, and that's gone. And that's what you do with assessment approvals. Very, very, very simple to use. Bulk, as I said to you. Bulk, select multiple items or individual items, and you can either generate it. If you want to generate it, it gives you a generated full report, approve it or reject it here. I don't think you should struggle with this one. Thank you for your time.